Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe for more videos and also hit the bell icon to get the notification. In this video, I am going to explain trick to find period number and group number of an element. In modern periodic table, there are 7 periods and 18 groups and 118 elements. Now let's learn the trick. First let's find out period number. To find out period number, first you should write electronic configuration of that element. If you don't know how to write electronic configuration, tap on the eye icon and watch the video how to write electronic configuration, which was my previous video. After writing electronic configuration, you should find out the maximum value of n. This is a trick to find out period number. Now let's find out for group number. If the element belongs to S block, then you should write total number of electrons in Ns. If the element belongs to P block, then you should write total number of electrons in Ns plus Np plus 10. If the element belongs to D block, you should write total number of electrons in Ns plus n minus 1 into D. Now let's take some examples. The first example is find out period number and group number of an element with atomic number 10. Now first let's find out period number. To find out period number, we should write the electronic configuration of element. Electronic configuration of atomic number 10 is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. If we add 2 plus 2 plus 6, we should get 10 electrons. So this is the electronic configuration of element with atomic number 10. Now we should find out the maximum value of n. The maximum value of n is nothing but we should find out principal quantum number. If you don't know how to find out principal quantum number, tap on the eye icon and watch how to find out principal quantum numbers, which was my previous video. Now in 1 and 2, the maximum value is 2. So n equal to 2. So with atomic number 10, that element belongs to second period. Now let's find out group number. To find out group number, first we should find the element belongs to which block. In 2p6, we have p subshell. So this element with atomic number 10 belongs to p block. So for p block, the formula is Ns plus Np plus 10. In this configuration, Ns is nothing but 2s. Np is 2p. Now for Ns, we have 2 electrons. So 2 plus, for Np we have 6 electrons. 2 plus 6 plus 10. We'll get 18. So the element with atomic number 10 belongs to 18th group. So the element with atomic number 10 belongs to second period and 18th group. Next example is to find out period number and group number of an element with atomic number 20. Now let's find out period number. To find out period number, we should write electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. If we add this all, we should get 20. Now after writing the electronic configuration, we should find out the maximum value of n. maximum value of n in this electronic configuration is 4. So n equal to 4. So the element with atomic number 20 belongs to fourth period. Now let's find out group number. To find out group number, we should find out the element belongs to which block. In 4s2, we have S subshell. So the element belongs to S block. For S block, the formula is, you should write total number of electrons in Ns. Ns is nothing but 4s2. In 4s2, we have 2 electrons. So the element with atomic number 20 belongs to second group. So the final answer is the element with atomic number 20 belongs to fourth period and second group. Next example is, find out the group number for NS2 plus n minus 1 into D6. By seeing this, we can say that this element belongs to D block. Because we can compare this and this, we will get the formula in D block. So this element belongs to D block. Now let's find out the group number. To find out group number, we should add total number of electrons in Ns plus total number of electrons in n minus 1 into D. So total number of electrons in Ns, nothing but here Ns2, we have 2 electrons. So 2 plus D6, we have 6 electrons. So 2 plus 6, we'll get 8. So this element belongs to 8th group. Now the question is, this element belongs to 8th A or 8th B. This element belongs to 8th B because this is modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, we have 7 periods and 18 groups. Now our element is Ns2 plus n minus 1 into D6. We said that this element belongs to D block. So after finding the group, we got 8th group. We said that this element belongs to 8th B group because in D block we have only 8th B. We don't have 8th A. So this element belongs to 8th B group. Now let's learn the trick for F block elements. In F block we have 2 series. One is 4F and other one is 5F. 4F starts from atomic number 58 to 71. 5F starts from atomic number 90 to 103. So if the question is to find out group number for any F block element, simply you should write the answer as third B group or third group. For period, 4F period is always 6th period and 5F period is always 7th period. If you remember these formulas, you can easily find out period number and group number of an element. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please share this to your friends and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications.